Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how the Price Variation add-on can make your pricing smarter and flexible for your Cleanly booking system. Once the add-on is installed and activated, go to the Settings page. Under the Integration menu, you'll find the Price Variation option. Click on it to open the variation settings. First, enable the variation feature using this switch. When this is turned on, the price variation rules will be applied to your booking form. If it's turned off, no variation will apply. After enabling, you can choose when the variation should be applied. You can select either today or appointment date. If you choose today, the variation will apply based on the current date when the customer is booking. If you select appointment date, the variation will apply based on the date the customer chooses for their appointment. I'm selecting appointment date for this example. You can also block same-day bookings by enabling the block option and setting a cutoff time. After finishing the configuration, click Save Changes. Next, we need to set variation conditions on specific services. Go to Form Data, then Service Items. Here you will see your available service items. Expand any service, for example, bedroom. Inside the service settings, you'll find the Apply Variation option. Turn this on to enable price variation for that service. Once enabled, you can set the variation rules. Select the day you want to apply the extra price and choose the price increase type, either flat or percentage. To add more variations, click the Add button. Then select another day, choose the increase type, and set the amount. You can add as many variations as you need. After setting everything, click Save Changes. You can repeat the same process for other services, such as bathroom or any additional service item. Now I'll show how this works on the booking form. We already added variations for the bedroom service, 10 extra for Sunday and 15 extra for Monday. When I reload the booking form and select one bedroom, the base price shows $24. If I choose a Saturday appointment, no variation is applied because no rule exists for Saturday. When I select Sunday, the extra 10 is added. And when I select Monday, the extra 15 is added. Customers will see the updated price directly in the booking summary. This is how you can configure price variations in the backend and how customers experience the updated pricing on the booking form. Thank you so much for watching.